This investigation will be looking at two main questions. First, do Year 7s get more sleep than Year 12s? Secondly, do boys or girls get more hours of sleep? So let's clarify. Hours of sleep is the average sleep on a school night and is recorded to the nearest whole hour. As the Bureau of Statistics website has conditions of use and a Creative Commons license, I have decided to attribute this correctly. I have made this video for teaching and learning purposes only, and you can find a link to the original license in the comments section below. The sample data was provided in a raw form as an Excel spreadsheet. In this format, you can clearly see male and female data for Year 7 and Year 12. From here, it was rearranged into both stem and leaf plot and a dot plot. The dot plot was immediately helpful in identifying the mode. This is a numerical data that reoccurs most frequently. In this graph, you can see for Year 12s, the mode is 8. Unfortunately, the stem and leaf plot was not appropriate for the range of data. It failed to identify a range of data that was frequently reoccurring. The sample size that was originally used was 40 for Year 12s and 40 for Year 7s, but this was reduced after being cleaned. The reduction will not greatly impact the overall findings. The large sample size is to provide a fair average for all four categories, including Year 7 girls, Year 7 boys, Year 12 girls, and Year 12 boys. After the data was reorganized into summary data, the answers to my questions were found. The summary data was rounded off to hours and half hours, as accuracy did not seem necessary for this investigation in order to make comparisons. Using the summary data alone, I could have told you the answer, but instead, a column graph was needed to represent my findings. Instead of just using a double column graph, a multiple column graph was used as it displayed the most information side by side. So, here's our answer. As you can see, indicated by the grey and yellow columns, which represent our Year 7 students, in mean, median and mode, our Year 7s got more sleep than Year 12s. You can also see by the Year 7 males, indicated by yellow, that on average or mean and median, they slept more than girls. And indicated by the orange column, you can see that the Year 12 boys slept more than the Year 12 girls. So what else have we learnt from this investigation? Well, we cannot presume that we gradually sleep less and less as we age, as there are many factors that are not present in this investigation. For example, there is no data for hours of sleep on the weekend, adolescents that don't attend school, or adults' hours of sleep. This investigation could be used as an indicator that perhaps there is evidence enough to pursue a further inquiry. Thank you for watching, and good night.